Robin Resource Sdn Berhad in Mentaka, Pahang is a company that produces high-quality MDF products. It has 180,000 cubic meters of annual capacity of medium and high-density fiberboard that aims to consistently produce MDF products to their clients. Robin Resource use mainly plantation species rubber wood, acacia wood, and timber wood waste such as wood slabs, wood offcuts, and pillar cores as its raw material for producing MDF. All raw materials are sourced locally and from strictly legal establishments. MDF is a unique wood panel which combines the quality of a blockboard, plywood, and particle board, making it a more versatile and complete substitute for natural wood. Its usage is wide and endless. Robin MDF is a composite wood product manufactured from wood waste fibers bonded together with synthetic resins and adhesive. The inherent stability, ease of machining, and eco-friendly characteristics of MDF creates endless opportunities for it to be used as an alternative to plywood and solid wood. Robin MDF comes at a 1.2 meters by 2.4 meters size and in 6mm, 9mm, 12mm, 15mm, 18mm, and 25mm in thickness. For the non-standard thickness and size, it can be considered and subject to a minimum order quantity. Robin MDF meets different standards and requirements to commercially be used. There are generally 4 types of MDF being manufactured by Robin Resource. Firstly is rubber wood type and mixed tropical hardwood type, which is suitable for making furniture and flooring. The next one is a high moisture resistant MDF, which is treated with melamine urea formaldehyde, which is better at resisting moisture. It can be used at anywhere that are prone to water like kitchen or bathroom. The last one is the flame retardant class 1 MDF, which is made out of formaldehyde-free adhesive. This MDF is hardly flammable and delays the combustion to prevent flame spread. It is used in non-structural public areas like schools, hotels, hospitals, and airports. So how do they produce the MDF? Raw materials of rubber wood is first chopped down from plantation and brought to the MDF factory. From there, the logs are debarked in the debarking machine and then conveyed to the chipper to get chipped into pieces with a smaller sized wood chip, and then it is stored in a silo. Chips are then brought to the chip screener to make sure only appropriate sizes of chips are left and debris and foreign objects such as metals are eliminated from bringing it to chip to dry. Chips are then brought to the chip screener to make sure that only appropriate sizes of chips are left and debris or foreign objects such as metals are eliminated before bringing the chips to dry. The chips are then dried in a chip cyclone and transferred via a dry pneumatic chip transportation system. The chips are then added with emulsion and paraffin wax, together with chemical additives. The mixture is then brought to a digester and refiner to be broken down into fibers. The fiber is then brought through a fiber drying system to be dried. The dried fibers are then added with resin to make the mixture of resin and fiber. The mixture is then transferred and spread to a mat former to form a piece of mat. A moisture meter is installed in the mat former to ensure that only the perfect moisture content of the mixture is moved to the pre-pressing machine. The mat is pre-pressed and will go through a final metal detector inspection for any foreign metal objects. The pre-pressed mat will go through a continuous hot press to cure the resin to make the MDF itself. From the hot press, the continuous MDF is then sawed into sides with a diagonal saw. Then it is brought to a star cooler to be cooled in room temperature. After it is cooled, the MDF will be sanded to ensure a smooth surface. The final product of MDF is then cut to size and packaged and to be shipped to its customer.